and where I go.
What are you doing? Hello. These are Senegals. This one here is about 6 months old. We have 3. And they are going right now for about 300. They are hand-fed and they were weaned. What are you doing? I know. Yes. What? What's the matter? They got bright orange on the chest and the belly. Green on the neck. They got cool gray eyes. She's going through a molt right now. And these guys have been sexed. Of course, I can't tell you what it is because I have to look at its wings. And they were surgically tattooed, or sexed and tattooed. And since they're a little older, rather than the normal 450, they're 300. And they're sweet. The more you hold them, the sweeter they are. And we're done.